Hello viewers, good day. Today market opened gap up. That's a good news for the retail trader. Hi, I'm Ramesh and today it's 7th January 2022. Today was a big day for us because we booked on Bank Nifty future. It's more than 150 plus point and spot 268 plus, and option buying it's 270 points. Let's quickly look into the market, what happened from the morning. Look into the market profile. So as you can see, this is a market profile and market did a gap up today. So I was not expecting it to touch any of the control center, the value areas, because the volumes were too high. The buyers were very aggressive today. So that gave a confirmation to go for a CE today. Let's look into the volume for the day. So this is a volume profile. As you can see in the volume, it's touched one of the point of control center area. So that again gave us a good confirmation to a pullback towards CE market today. Let's see how we took a trade today. All right, today's market on Bank Nifty future. Where was our entry? Where was a stop loss? Guys, this was an entry. Okay, we entered at 37,999, keeping a target of 38,131. That is this area. Okay, and the stop loss of 37,916. This was a stop loss, the low of the second 5 minutes candle. And we got about 132 plus. This was a target and we started trailing the stop loss to 189. I don't know how many booked there, but we started trailing the stop loss. And that was for our Bank Nifty future. In case if you are still waiting for a Bank Nifty future to go for a CE market, in case if there is a pullback, okay, if there is a pullback, so you can expect Bank Nifty to tag easily 38,347 and 38,445. If there is a pullback, you can trade only on today's high. These are the two targets for you. It's a bonus for you guys. Then coming to Bank Nifty indices. This is Bank Nifty indices. This is only for the options buyers. So our entry triggered at 37864. Our entry triggered as 37864, keeping a target of 38132. At this point, 38132 was a target, and the stop loss was around 37810. Okay, we got about 1:5 ratio, keeping around 50 points as a stop loss. We got 1:5 ratio today, about 268 plus points, since this was a target and we started trailing the stop loss. So in case if you are an option buyer and you want to continue the trade for the day, here is a target for you today. Buy on the above. If there is a pullback, buy on the above. The first target would be 38,196 and 38,285 if there is a pullback. Otherwise, you can expect a downtrend today. Okay, so and we booked a very good points today. It will be followed by, okay, you can just watch it on that. And that's it for now. Please like and subscribe for the channel and do join the Telegram group for free trades with a proper entry and stop loss. It's totally free. And if there are any good trades, we'll update in the Telegram channel. So stay connected. Bye for now. Happy money and happy trading.